I am Shom from India. I am now in Amsterdam, and here I have a Uyghur guy. What's the name?
Abdurrahim.
Abdul Rahim, who is protesting against Chinese oppression because he doesn't know where his parents are. They are locked in some concentration camp in East Turkestan. So this is how it looked like before 1940s, and after that it's now known as Xinjiang. So China has allegedly taken over this portion of land and turned it into Xinjiang, which is like the largest concentration camp currently in China. So this is where somewhere his parents are locked up. He doesn't know. There are famous guys like economists, recipient of international awards. They are locked up, and this must stop. So the Chinese government must do something about it. Now, should I speak in Bengali? Okay.
English.
Oh, English. Okay. So see, all of these are like instances of various oppression they are doing. This is his parents, his mother. So every Saturday and Sunday he is here protesting at the Dam Square. He even went to Geneva in front of the UNO and protested there. And even more so, the Chinese government is forcing them to leave their own culture and follow Han Chinese traditions. So the women are even forced to marry Han Chinese. So this is one of the biggest current oppression going on. So আমি বাংলাতেও বলতে পারি, আমি আব্দুল